Princess House offers amazing rewards in Period 5. In Period 5, you can join Princess House as a consultant with just a $24 deposit. Contact your organizer via video chat to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. In Period 5 only, new consultants that join Princess House with personal sales totaling $750 in their first active period receive these Princess House Pantry 4.5 quart and 1.5 quart storage containers valued at $119.95. And in Period 5, new consultants that sign up a friend in their first 2 periods to join Princess House and their friend generates $750 in their first active period receive this Princess House electric kettle valued at $239.95. Additionally, in Period 5 only, new consultants that generate an additional $750 for a total of $1,500 in personal sales in their first active period receive this Vida Sana high-powered blender valued at $639.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.